Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to bypass Snapchat device ban. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your mobile device and then head on over to help.snapchat.com and then click on Contact Us. In here, you will need to submit a request. The first thing you need to click on is I need help with the Snapchat feature. In here, wait for the website to finish loading. Over at Snapchat support, all you have to do this time is to input your username and the following details: your email, your mobile number, and then, most importantly, is you have to input your description. Now, when it comes to the description, it means you will need to give out a detailed explanation on what happened really to your account. And then you can type in your very own sentiments, or you can copy what I'm saying here on my very own description box. Next step is to verify over at CAPTCHA to make sure that you're not an AI or a robot. Once done, click on Submit a Request. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.